Okay, so today, so this is like what we are trying to do is on a day-to-day basis, what are the different tools that we can use in our life? So ChatGPT is definitely one of the tool that appreciate that the way it is going. But to use ChatGPT also, there is some very good prompts that we can use to make it optimize the use of AI in ChatGPT. Okay, so let's just um, start into a few things, which is mostly around job search. So, are you looking for any job, or did you any ever search for a job in ChatGPT?
I have done updating the CV, but not
Mm.
for the job search.
Okay, okay. So, yeah, just to start with, I have one. I have a ChatGPT with me as well, and I got the premium version. So there are multiple tools to do what job search is. But what I would like to do is just to start with ChatGPT and tell what are the other tools which are better than ChatGPT. Okay. So let me just think like I'm expert in marketing, and I want to just, highlight my particular CV, and I want to make my CV better and want to use this ChatGPT to make the things better. So normally people will use, as I think, as you said, you already doing it. So see here how ChatGPT works is it actually asks for your CV. So even interacting with your ChatGPT is one of the skill that we actually trying to teach the people. For in this instance, what I will try to do is I'll try to upload my CV and see what ChatGPT is doing. I think you are already doing it, but I just want to make sure that when you start any kind of job search, how it works. Okay. And I just want to make the things how it will be more smarter. Okay. That's the whole idea of a bit of this here. Okay. See here, it is just trying to summarize my skill, which is want to highlight. And what I will try to do today is example in my case, I got very old CV. I will try to make him good CV. And then from there, I will try to search for the job. Okay. So while that is happening, let me just let me just see as a part of job hunt. Okay, so while the CV is happening, the next thing that I will do is I'll do a job hunt. Okay, so for that, if you just say I want to looking for a job, it won't be really. Like example, I'm looking for a software testing job. Okay, so example, I'm looking for a software testing job. I got some kind of a outline of the CV. Okay, so see here you can see here it had given a CV kind of information. And what I will do is, can you make sure I can download? Okay. So I can do that. That is everybody knows it. But what is interesting is as a part of, okay, example, I'm looking for a test. Okay. So I'm looking for a job hunt. What I will do is you can see here, I'm just to try to make a bigger kind of a, see my CV is there. So what I will try to do is I'll try to search the job. I mean, I'm not blindly searching, but it is asking me what exactly to do. Okay, so it is asking me, okay, you are a test lead. Just it is like qualifying. I'm just trying to, it is trying to ask me, just to tell me brief that are you a test lead? And I'm tell, okay, I am experienced test lead. Okay, see here. Then it will actually understand that is my test lead. Then it will go and find a job for you because before doing it, before actually my point of view, the experience is before you actually search for a job, you would like to create multiple prompts. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so you can see here, I will try to search for a job. And here what I can do is, this is like a little bit smart. Here I can see there is a one job example. You're looking for a job in, there was one job here, which I got it here. Where is my job here? I just found one. Yeah, this is a job example. I just go here and you can actually paste that job here and now search. So what will this prompt will do is, okay, for this particular job, it will now update my CV as per that job. Because example, if you want to look for a job and if you are just trying to give CV, like one CV for every job, it won't work. But what ChatGPT can do is, you can see here for that specific job, which I pasted here, it is saying it's a company called Mega. In that, for that company, it is actually giving me a CV which fits that 100%. So the ChatGPT can make a better CV before you apply for the job. You can actually make it a better CV. That's how you can, before you actually apply for the job, you can get a CV. Now you can go to that particular job and you can go and apply for this job. But you are getting a CV which is 95, 90 to 95%, which is matching to the actual job. Okay, for that, there's a nice prompt for that. I mean, I can give you the prompt, but this is the magical prompt. Okay, it is asking as a career advisor, I would like to reword the CV I just have given. Please tailor it to following job to maximize the chance of getting an interview, including any keywords mentioned in the job post. Organize the structure, summary, and experience in the method you deem best for desired outcome. Okay, see here, this is a prompt. If the prompt is good, you will get a better outcome. Okay, is it making sense, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now you will actually can download the CV and apply. Okay, so that is one way which we can actually maximize. Now, because the machine learning know what you are, now see, once the CV is getting downloaded, I can now tell, can you find me a similar jobs? Okay, there is a bigger prompt which I can take. Okay, so I can actually do a little bit go, but because again, we will go in detail later, but actually I can get some kind of interview questions, and also I can do things better. But my point of view, I can prepare for interview, which is fine. But now what I want to do is, I want to now, because it know my CV, it know my particular, see here, based on experience role at merger, there are some similar jobs. Now it is giving a similar jobs. If you directly apply for the job, it may give hundreds of jobs. But now machine is learning that what I actually know. See here, now the chat GPT is giving me a job which is exactly like a similar job which I just got it from internet. To get this job also, you need to go to LinkedIn, and in the LinkedIn, you need to find a job which is not easy apply, but you need to find a job which is not having the easy apply button, so that you can actually see the link. So this is the link. So you need to know exactly what is your particular kind of roles that you can apply. You can copy that link here, and then you can say that give me similar jobs. So now you have 5 jobs. You got the right CV. Maybe because see, for each and every job again, you can actually go and rewrite the CV. But now in this case, you actually saved your time by saying that this is my requirement. Now that machine learning know that what exactly you're looking for, you can straight away go and apply for the jobs. Okay, with this CV, that way you can maximize your performance. Okay, makes sense. Okay, this is all Chat GPT, guys. But now let's go to a different tool than Chat GPT. Okay, I like Chat GPT, by the way, but the only thing is we can do a similar thing using other tools. So today in front of you, I'm bringing a tool called finalround.ai, which is very nice tool to find your job. Not only finding a job, but it will give you lot of things. Okay. Now let's just go to this website called Final Round. Can you see my screen, by the way?
Yes, we can
Yes.
see.
Okay. This is really good, really nice one, guys. This is like whatever you have done so far in ChatGPT, you can do it that in even more better way. People think that ChatGPT is the only thing, but that is not the one. Okay. Now see the same thing which I have done like few minutes back, that I will do it in a very effective way. And you will be like getting everything whatever you want. Okay. Now see. Okay. Just going back to your LinkedIn. The way that you want to apply for the jobs is go to your LinkedIn, go to whatever the thing that you want. I'm looking for a test engineer job and try to go and try to find a job which is similar to what you want, and don't click on any of the link which got the easy apply. Because if you click on easy apply, your system won't be able to fire up match it. So you need to find a role which is similar to, you can see here, there is a job which is not exactly what I'm looking for, but this is a good job. So I can use AI to make even apply for a job which is more ensure that it is good. And again, you can see here, there's one more job called SDET. I can apply for the SDET job. So the good thing is it got don't have easy apply. Go here and see here, this is a perfect job and you have job description, everything. Maybe your CV is not matching to this, but you want this job and you have like 30, 40, 50, 60, 70% of your matching. Now copy that link and go to this tool. And now you can actually say that because I'm pre-configured, guys, I have my testing CV here for demo purpose and I pasted this job. So now I'm telling I got my CV, but can I apply for this job and can AI help me to match 100% of what I'm looking for? Because recruiters don't like CV which is not matching. So what I'm trying to do, I'm creating a pair of job with my CV. And this particular job is something that I want to get into this job. And I want to prepare for this job. I want to create my CV for this job. I want to create a cover letter and I want to update my CV based on this. Okay. Now see here, this particular job is is being read by AI. Now it will try to understand that, okay, you want to get into this job. So because this is so powerful, guys, for that particular job, it created a small record here. Now click on generate QA page. Generate QA page is nothing but AI tool, which now creates a whole scenario for you, including interview preparation, including mock interview, including creating a CV for you, including creating cover letter, and even if possible, it will apply for you also. And it also will apply auto apply for you also for the similar job in future. So if you get able to get one job and say this is my dream job, you will get definitely you will get a lot of similar matching jobs. Okay. Now here, so we are now this particular action is happening. So it is generating a QA pair and which is matching your, it is the AI is now working behind the screens to get a job, get this job for you. Okay. Making sense? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Any questions so far?
I have one.
Mhm.
So, is this a free tool or should we pay for this?
Yeah, this is a, see, basically this is a free tool, but there are few advanced features. If you want to use it, you have to pay. But what we are trying to do from IT talent point of view, we will give you this license for this. What are the tools that we are having? We'll give a license for you if you can subscribe for us for the longer courses. Okay, example, you want to subscribe us for any kind of AI engineering or AI testing or digital marketing. We've got few courses. If you take any of the course with us, then we will give you all these tools free for you, because we have a brighter subscription. But if you I mean, right now, what are the features that you are actually seeing here? This is all free. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Now going back to this, guys, see, now you can see here. Now it created a material generator. Material means now it created a two buttons for you. One is to download the CV. Okay, which will take some minute, but you can see here so powerful. It will download a CV, and it also download you a cover letter. So now AI is actually, you are doing chat GPT lot of things, but more than chat GPT, you can get that through this tool. Okay, which is again continuing, and now you can see here your CV is getting downloaded and your cover letter is in process. Now see here, I'll download the CV specific this for this particular group. And what is the job that we searched so far? Is this company, Assure Group. Now you can see here, our tool is saying that for Assure Group, you got the CV ready, which I can download. Now see here, Assure Group CV, you got a CV, which is the CV which is matching the exact requirement of that particular job specification. Okay, if you want to validate, we don't need to, because it's AI. You can see here, the tool is asking that you need to know API testing, Scrum, DevOps, blah, 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 lot of things, NG Unit, Selenium. If you see your CV, you got Selenium here, you got manual and automation testing, it got Agile, it got Selenium. It actually summarized the whole CV, and this CV blindly you apply, you will get the response, because it include A/B testing, API testing, everything that it is there in this particular job specification is ready for you. Okay, see everything, including the if all the matches skills are matching, so you got a ready-made CV from this tool. And coming to cover letter, you will see here, because this is very important part of job search. You see here, I'm applying for SDET version for SO group, and it is writing a very nice cover letter, testing high quality products and agile teams. And I can do both manual automation testing. I can collaborate in agile squad. And see here, this is a perfect thing. And this kind of information is what the people like it. And this English is not ChatGPT, because ChatGPT, most of the time, the English in ChatGPT, people know how it works. But this English is not ChatGPT, it's a more of human. Okay, so you got your resume and your cover letter ready. So what else you want to? Okay, if you want now, because it know, I mean, again, this is a material, you got CV, you can just go to this website and apply. I'm interested and you can apply. That is a straightforward thing. However, you can even auto apply in the future. Okay, see here, because now you are looking for test engineer. There is some, I mean, you need to do some payment for this, but I mean, maybe if you, I mean, maybe in future we can look how we can do, but they will to pay. But you can start applying for similar roles. Apply. It will apply directly for you. Okay, and you can see the list of applications here, and you can see the emails what you're getting in your emails, because you link your email to this your Gmail, and you can see what the recruiter is saying that specific guy is telling about, and then you can get the maximum out of it. Okay, so that is for I mean, like basically that is you buy a package. But again, my point of view, if you do a course with us, we'll try to give you this packages for you. We'll buy some tokens and give it to you. Now, okay, so now auto applies right now. It's not a feature available, maybe in future, but right now in the free, once you got your CV ready, you apply for the CV. What is the next thing that you will do, guys? After you get your CV ready, what you can do? There is an interview that you need to prepare, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So now you need to prepare for interview, and for that also we got AI. That's a very beauty of this. So now you can select which role that you want to, because example, you got interview for this role tomorrow. So you select that I want to go to this interview, and you can launch and subscribe. Okay. And now what will happen is you can see here. Okay, I think 1 second in the free, because I already used my tokens, guys. Okay, you can see here. Uh, okay, maybe that role. Give me 1 second. For this measure, I think I can launch it. It's paid with subscribe now or upgrade your plan. Okay, subscribe. Yeah, I can do it. Subscribe. I think I had subscribed. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. Yeah, just going back to the mock interview, there is an option to select a mock interview. And this mock interview, right now you can see here, I have done a couple of mock interviews just a few previously, like few minutes back. And I can see here, there is an AI which asked me some questions, and based on the answers, it actually given a report. Okay. Are you really interested to see the live mock interview, guys? I can
Yes.
subscribe for you if you're interested.
Yes.
Okay. Can I get one more answer so that I can definitely go and subscribe for you?
Yes, we are interested.
Okay, let's take this. Okay, that's fine. For you people, I will do it. Okay, let's launch and subscribe. Uh, okay, so once this is, give me a second, I just want to get this value. So I will just do a subscribe, guys. And then I will then go on mock interview. The mock interview is very interested. It will do a mock interview for you. And then what you can actually do is you can go and do a lot of things. Okay, so it best go out mode. Let me see me build annually. Let me just check if I can take this. Okay, just need to put some details, guys. 160751. Okay, there's nothing like a confidential information here. So once I have done a subscription, it's very, very powerful, guys. You can actually get a lot of value insert out of it. Okay, just because this is the tools. Again, once you join the course, because you will actually take a subscription, you'll be getting a lot of things. Okay, so start a mock interview. Now again, the same thing, because I'm subscribed for this particular role. Let's see what happens. Okay, get ready, guys. This is very interesting. Okay, very interesting. So it is now an AI will ask me some questions. Feel that maybe if you want to try, you can answer a few questions, but I will also answer a few questions and it will analyze. It's a mock interview, basically, a mock interview. Okay, so there is some human who will come. Okay, this is the guy. Okay, see here, listen carefully, everyone. Hello, how are you?
Hey there. I'm here to help you get ready for your interview. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very good. Can you start the interview for me?
It's great to hear. Let's dive right in. Can you tell me a little bit about your background and experience in software development and testing?
Um, I am software developer in test. I did lot of software automation testing, and I did lot of unit testing, and I did lot of integration testing, and actually help developers to write a clean code and then make sure that the code is reusable, all this kind of things.
That's a solid background. It's great that you're helping with both testing and improving code quality. Can you share a challenging situation you faced in your previous role and how you tackled it?
The challenging situation that I had faced is one time one of the developer developed a mobile application which is actually crashing while the application is used by a end user. So the app crashes every time. So what I did is we created some kind of automated tests to run the same scenario in multiple devices, and then we had fixed the bug and we actually retested using the and like automation testing using APM.
Sounds like you handled that issue very proactively. Using automated tests to pinpoint and solve the problem was a smart move. How did the team respond to your solution?
The team really happy with my solution, and then I got a promotion, like a good promotion out of it.
It's fantastic. It's always rewarding to see your hard work pay off. Let's move on to the next question.
Okay, so you can see here, guys, what do you guys learn out of this?
Yeah, more confident and spontaneously I can answer, and also it is like a sequence type questions. But I answered. He is asking for that answer related questions.
Exactly. No, but however, see, he's like a mock interview. You can see here, there's a report that is generated after this interview. That is the power of AI. Okay, I mean, right now the report is not yet. I think it will come in a minute. But the report, see, it is generating a report. So this is, see, guys, I'm just telling the power of AI tools is so much. If you actually use this tool, okay, think like how much of practice you will get. And now because of this AI, we can practice and I mean, I'm getting a report in a minute, but this report, if you see here, you can see here, okay, so I did like this, okay, I did like this. So now we can actually recap the interview and analyze. So you can see here how much of special skills and how I was able to do a problem solving skill. How is my professionality? See here, this is all very low because last time I haven't done it properly. But if you're able to get 60, 70% of 70, 80% of all this for that specific job, you're almost there, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Okay, see here, the professionalism is good, but the personal style is not good because we mocked it. So it is 33. But we had able to do some professionalism. So this is what I'm telling, the power of AI. This is a tool which actually helps you to get you better in interviews. And this particular tool is very powerful. Okay. Any questions? Any questions about this tool?
I have one query, if we submit the resume uh, based on this AI, and if we send, the recruiter will have some ATS application, right? So they can identify if I generated with the AI.
Yeah, if that is through ChatGPT, they will catch it. but mostly this resume you can see here, you can actually, I mean, my point of view, this resume, which I just got few minutes, is very like, it's like a human. Here, see the way that this chat GPTs or the people will work, guys, I'm telling, the wording is very important. If you see the wording of chat GPT, because you might have seen, I downloaded one chat GPT. Let us compare both of them. I'm not selling this product, by the way. I'm not a salesman, but I'm telling the uh, don't use ChatGPT for everything. That's what I can say. Okay. Now see here, this is a CV given by ChatGPT, and this is a CV given by the tool that I just shown you. Can you see a difference?
Yes.
Lead
It is.
QA efforts across multiple teams, ensuring high. So this is these kind of words, overseeing the development. Will we ever say overseeing it? Overseeing is a word which we'll never use in a real time. Okay, but here you can see here, there is no that kind of words here. Develop and implement automation testing using Selenium Python, increasing test coverage by 40. Collaborate with folks. This is very technical because there is a context here that we had given to this particular tool. But in ChatGPT, there's no context. It's a machine learning. Because we know that the job description is this, it is trying to match and it's technical. So this is mostly, this will never be gone through that ATS.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Any other questions before we go jump into the other tools, guys? We have a lot of tools. Maybe I will just try to complete few, but I have a lot of exciting tools like this. Okay. Any questions?
Sorry, I have another queries also. I'm a developer, and mostly we are getting code or at a time we need to develop some coding. So coding related in AI is available. Like I can do the mock interview like that.
Coding, very good question that you asked me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there is something like this, which is, again, there is some coding. So there are two things. If you get a code to test, that is one thing. But this is like a coding practice test. So let me just tell you. Okay, let me just show you. There is two things. I mean, like right now, what all we did is mock interview. There's something called live interview. If you got a live interview session, then if there is any coding test also, this tool will do it. I'll tell you how it works.
Okay.
Okay. Right now, see here, example, you are doing an online interview. You'll definitely have something, right? Like you will have an interview going on, right? So you need to just share your screen and then click on this, click on this. It's an interview meeting room. I need to connect. Okay, maybe this one. Maybe this one. Where is my window for this? Because you people are connected through this, so I can use that as a this one. Yes. Invalid browser tab. I think they want to select the tab, right? Okay, if it should be a Zoom or something like that. But yeah, you can, while you are doing any live interview also, you can actually, if they give any coding test, it will read that coding text and give you the answer. Okay, so for that, maybe we can connect it later, but that is also possible up to a certain extent if they're giving a live coding test. Okay, but if it is a non-live coding test, then you can approach us. We have some trainers who can help you on that. Human, not AI.
Okay. So I can practice with this also, right? For the coding.
Exactly. Practice
Yeah.
is done. Yeah, practice
I,
can be done. Very good question.
for
If
the
you want
practice.
practice,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
you can do some practice. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Got it. Thank
Yeah.
you.
And coming to the other things, guys, like you can ask is again like Chat GPT, but this is like a career, you can ask some questions. Okay. how can make resume for data. This is a normal, even ChatGPT can do it, but it is a career thing. It may give you better. That is one good thing of this tool. And the other good thing is you can actually talk to any of the interviewers, like um, ask IBM about what are the roles. This is like you connect to the companies directly. Okay, coming in IBM. So because this particular tool, you can see here, it is specific to your career. It is like a final round. So it is helping you to get a lot of information. That's what we need. So you can see here the variety of roles available, blah, blah, blah. It is giving as if like you're asking IBM. Similarly, you can ask these people, but getting the job in these companies is not that straight away, but you can ask some questions. Tell me how to prepare for, you are asking like an IBM people. Okay, data science or AI tools. Okay, so but the good thing is every company will got a different answer for you. See here, you're getting some answers, which is good. But if you ask the same question to Tesla guys, maybe they will tell that first of all buy Tesla shares or something like that. Okay, so you can ask how to prepare for AI jobs, something like this. Okay, and that people from Tesla will be answering. Okay, especially job, blah, blah, blah. It is like this. So you will get a different answer for different company. Okay, it's not very usable, but you can just spend some time. But a very important thing that I like it in this is, guys, here I can see here, now we got almost every company, big company in the world have their question and answer sessions here. Okay, this is very, very important. Example, you got a job in a company called NVIDIA, HP. HP is a big company. If you got any job in HP or interview in HP, you can get all this interview question from HP directly here. Like most commonly used questions. How do Amazon price tracking tool work? And similarly, if you got a job in Stripe, a MasterCard, a lot of my friends are working in MasterCard. You can see here, this is a MasterCard specific interview questions. How to approach problem solving skill, how to approach complex technical issue. This is like a general questions for MasterCard. But if you're looking for any specific example, you got if a developer, if you're looking for any coding for MasterCard, this is not only MasterCard, guys, but you can actually see how different people are asking different interview questions. Okay, and you can practice this question. You can just say anything. Okay. I think it's not editable, but I think soon it will be editable. But you can answer and it will match. Okay, so like that you can get some interviews, and finally, yeah, auto apply is something which is coming very, very soon. Interview plan, we already bought it, but auto apply is something which is very, very coming soon, so that you can quickly apply. So all your job applications at one place is this tool. Okay, you can apply, you can get the CV, you can create mock interview, you can do those, and then get some preparation for that specific job, for that specific company, and you are there. Okay, makes sense, guys? Is that making sense? Like, is that something that you learned so far from last 1 hour?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Okay, guys. Any questions before I jump to another tool, which is something like that? Okay, again, I got one more tool which is similar to that, but before I go to that tool, any questions? Okay. Okay, guys, I want you to be interactive. Let us just take the subject out of the job search. Let us go to a different subject called digital marketing or starting a company. Okay, so if you want to start a company, guys, what is the basic minimum need for you to start a company? Anything, anybody else, anything if you want to start a business. You need social media, right? Basically, isn't it? Okay, so let's just start with the website, guys. So I got a beautiful tool. Just focus on my screen. You will love this. There's a wonderful tool called lovable.dev. Okay, it's a fantastic tool that you can't even take your head out of it. This is so nice. Okay, creating a website was a pain till now. It likes is a very good. Okay, now see such a nice tool. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, this tool is so powerful that while we are actually discussing, it will create a beautiful website for you. Okay, so you can see here, and you don't need to have any development knowledge, guys. Okay, this is like a chat GPT, but again, like I said, chat GPT is one tool. Maybe chat GPT can do it, but you need to have a really nice magical prompt. Maybe you need to do something. I mean, it can do. I'm not saying wrong, but this is a very nice tool which actually gives you not only the website, but it actually gives some code. If you really, I know, if you're a developer, you can do both. If you're a developer, you still get a code, and if you're not a developer, you can still get the website ready, and you can publish in 1 minute. Okay, you will see that this website for what is that girl name? What's your name? Sorry, mistake.
Reshma.
Okay, so in few minutes we'll get Rashman's website ready. Okay, and I will share that link to you in the WhatsApp in like Teams chat, and you people can test. Okay, and you can buy if you want, and I will give my payment gateway, and hopefully money will come to me, and Reshma will have some partnership, isn't it? Like that, we can start a business just like that. Okay, I'm just saying. Okay, and it also not only creates the content, guys, it creates the logo, it creates the images, it creates a beautiful layout for you, and it understands that. See here, color scheme is deep green, and it gives warm orange because you are selling fresh vegetables. Okay, see here, so nice. Okay, while it is doing, let's just I think I think it's getting ready in a minute. But
Yes, we can see.
okay, see how nice. Fresh Indian exports. I don't know how they know that we are from India. Oh, okay, we said India, right? Okay. Fresh Indian export, vegetable delivered to the UK, view products, choose fresh Indian export. See here, express shipping, quality assurance, direct sourcing, fresh guarantee, okra, bitter gourd, methi, red gourd. Oh, nice. See here, it actually given some items that you can actually buy. The images are not coming up because there may be some technical issue, which we can get it sorted. Request for a quote, review and approval, harvest and quality check, export delivery. What quantities we will review it. It created it created this. Oh my, oh Raj Singh, Michelin chef, Sarah Williams. Request a code today. I mean, we can change it to not a code, but it is like we can buy. So publish, and I will put that in the chart, guys. Please open on your own devices. Okay, it is coming in a minute, but you will actually be able to open that in your browser. Okay, see here, it's full length, and I will put that in the chart. Where is your chart? Where is the chart? Where is the chart? Okay, I'm just putting here, guys. Open this Microsoft Teams, And you can open on your browser and check how it is. Reshma, do you like it, by the way?
Yes, I like it.
Got content, and it got how it works. Nice. And it got, I know images are not coming up. That's a bug. And it got your Mumbai. I don't know why it taken Mumbai. It got email, blah, 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 products, how it works. Kingdom, fresh. It got notes as well. See how nice it is. Now, if you really want to make it better, now we can actually do something else. Can you make it with orange color? Okay, maybe if you like orange theme. Okay, now see here. Now we can actually update our website based on our like. To actually change the color of a website and all these things, it takes a lot of time, isn't it? Like you need to go and change the CSS and you need to make things little bit 100 places we need to change and we need to test because there's a lot of places you can see green. Right. Now see here. See how this is now. I mean, guys, this is not only, it's just not a image. It is not like a, I don't know, like Wix or WordPress. This is actually code. You can download the code, by the way. Okay, and you can push it into HTML in a minute. You can see here, it is actually creating a TSX, which is nothing but TypeScript extension. And it is creating a, not only HTML, it's creating a React.js or TypeScript application. I'll show you how to download the code, by the way, but this is like a super easy way to start your website. See here, it is saying blah, it made the, it changes the banner, it changes the color, it make it deep orange. Okay, I'm saying I don't want any further. See here, done. Okay, now you got better color. I know there is some places it haven't done. We can just say, can you make the logo and buttons and what is that menu? Menu to orange as well. See, right, side by side, you got a website, so it actually understands everything, guys. This is like as if like you're talking to a human being, and it got very nice language models, and it got a lot of very nice tools. I'll show in a minute, but you can actually do a lot of changes. Like you can download the code, you can change the model if you want. I think there is an option to change to, I think it uses OpenAI, and it can change the model or you can make it better. But my point of view, okay, see here. I mean, once it complete this, I'll show you guys. We can have a code view. We can change the code changes. If you're a developer, then you can do that. But up to you. Okay. So I'll come back to this in a minute. But this is a website tool, which is like an AI tool, which does absolutely wonders for us. Okay. It's been 1 hour, guys. I got one more last tool to show today. I got a lot of tools, guys, but I got one more tool, okay, because you people maybe need a break. I show you one more tool. I got a lot of tools with me, but I got one more tool which is very, very good. Okay, so before going to that, let me ask you. Okay, now it's all orange. Okay, see here. While you're talking, it is done. And if you want to see the code, you can see the code. Okay, and this is completely React.js application. And if you want to example, if you think, okay, this particular text, why choose Fresh India? You can go back to your code. I know it's not very technical, by the way, but you can just go to your uh, homepage. Somewhere you can see main.tsx. It will go to app.tsx. Uh, no, it is in fact you need to go to the okay how it works. So which section we're talking about, how it works, right? So go to how it works, and you can see here there is some text here. You can change the text. Okay, this is like plain text description. Tell what you want to do it. You can go and edit your text, which can happen if you want. Okay. Anyway, that is the beauty of this. But mostly, I would like to do the changes in the chart GPT. Okay, I mean the chart. So that's it, guys. Okay. How is this tool so far?
Too good.
Okay, and you can create multiple things. You can see here I created one website for myself, Master the Future of AI Training, which is exactly what I'm doing. And I will be teaching you through this website. So even for me, I'm using this. So it's like very easy. Okay, so this is the way if you want to start a business or even for personal example, you want to create your own personal website. It takes very less time. Cool. Okay. So how many of you want to learn one more tool today? Put your hands down and raise your hands. One more tool, which is very, very interesting for you to create reels for your social media. Okay, just like that, you can create reels. It's very simple, guys. First thing first, to create a reel, you need to have a YouTube channel. Okay, and you need to have YouTube. And the best way is you need to upload your particular video into YouTube. I know it will be boring. Nobody will see if it is a 2-3 hours video or 10 to 2 minutes video, but it's okay. First thing is upload your tool into YouTube. Okay, that's the first thing, because to create your reels, it's a big file, and a lot of these tools can't handle big files. But the first thing is, first of all, you can see here, like me, you can upload your video into YouTube. Okay, and get it ready. You can see here there's one YouTube video which is like 4 minutes, but hardly I got any likes or any comments, and I got only less views. So obviously large videos will not have. Oh, I'm not sharing. Okay, guys, sorry, I'm really sorry. So thanks. Okay, guys, see the screen. Okay, I think I'll rewind whatever it is. So you can see my screen, guys. We got a lot of topics to cover. If you want to have a healthy food, there were some topics. Goals and nutrition, I got some tools, AI tools for that. To find a house for you and to create a building work, I got some tools. And you want to start a business, I am getting a lot of tools like accounting and finding a staff and all. So for everybody's life, example for your international students, example, you said your international students, how to find part-time jobs, how to do LinkedIn profile, how to schedule your job work, and how you go and network with the people in London. For everything, there's an AI tool. Okay, by the way, I'm not covering all of them. There's a series of sessions that we will be doing. So only thing is you should be part of the AI testing, AI tools WhatsApp group. If not, please join so that we can post when is the next session. And coming back to this reel, you need to have a YouTube video like this on your YouTube channel. You need to create a YouTube channel and just upload a video, because the tool that I'm showing cannot consume a big videos, and it will be a waste of time for everyone because it takes 1-2 hours to upload a big video. YouTube, luckily, you can upload any size of video. Nobody stops. You can upload the video so that you can save a lot of time. Upload in YouTube, and if you want, make it private for a few minutes, and then make it public. Make it like a link sharing so that nobody can see if you don't want to make it public. But however, if you want to make it public, you can make it. But this video you can see here, I hardly have a less views, and this is being taken by one of the TV company when I was in Dubai. So you can see here, this is my company, this is me. If you want to match my face, I can put my video on and maybe you can see me. It's the same guy. Okay, now what I do, take the link of this video. You can just click on share or you can do whatever it is, copy that link, go into a tool called Opus. A tool called Opus, which is here. Not here. Where is Opus? Where is my Opus? Opus. Yes, here. Okay. Okay. Going back. This tool is very cool, guys. You just need to do nothing. Go to your home page and you can just copy and paste that YouTube link. Okay. And what it does? It'll take some time, by the way. And you can upload the video and you can just do Google Drive, but that's okay. But you can see here, the video is now loaded and you can tell what to do. So you can actually say you can want to create a reel out of that video. So you can tell what is the video. I'm talking about sustainability there, because mainly the reels will be nice if you have good tags and those kind of very nice tags. So sustainability and AI engineering is the topic which I'm talking there. It's very nice. So and okay, and then what we need to do. I just skip this and clip length. We can make it less than 30 seconds if you want. And then, okay, I can save this as a default. If you want to use your own template, you can do it, but it's up to you. You can create some templates and some the way of photo layout, but that we can explore in detail. But you can see the preview, how it will look like. Okay, so you want to like a gameplay, or you want to become like Mr. Beast, because Mr. Beast is the topic famous guy. You can tell how it will look like. Okay, now just click on get clips in thing, and what happens is, and you can see here, it automatically reads the data into YouTube. That's the reason why I said YouTube, because you can create some description and it reads the data. And you can see here, now it is trying to create a nice reels for you. Okay, so now you can see here 4 minutes. I know it will take a lot of time. This is why I just created myself before I come into the demo. And you can see here, now it created 4 different reels. Okay, with a nice preview, and it identified my word in that particular interview. It reads what it is, and you can see here.
Question: what do you think is the future of money? Future of money. The future of money. There won't be any money in future. Okay, it's all crypto, and also there's no need of anything, because you technology can change everything. So if you have, even if you have example, use AI. So example, if you go to Amazon Fresh stores in UK, you don't need money. Just walk in, take the items out of your basket, and you go home. You can see a lot of people from lot of banks.
And you can see here it is creating a nice preview. Okay, by the guys, it creates a nice preview. But it's not only that, guys, it is much more than this. Okay, so what you can do, you can actually edit the clip and it gives you a lot of text. So because the reel need a lot of tags, so you can now create a layout, because now you have the thing, you can make it a split, and you can actually make the things better. You can see here, there's some tutorial that it is telling for each and every clip. I can change the way it is. Okay, and if you want to add a section, you can add, and you can create a role. If you want to create a role, you can do it. So you can do a lot of things with this tool. So there's an amazing tool here which generates the content for you. You can see here, it's created a content. If you think that this content is boring, then you can actually go and rename it. Okay, and you can enhance it, because I'm liking the text it is giving. I'm okay with that. So like that, you can go and edit, and you can do a lot of things for each and everything. Okay, and the other very important part of that is you can publish that in social media at the same time. Example, you got a reel, if you want to upload in Instagram, And if you want to upload in LinkedIn, if you want to upload in X, if you want to upload in YouTube, there's a lot of things. And you can see here what I have done so far is I linked all my platforms at one place. This is the beauty of this thing, because Reel is like everybody likes Reels, but you need to have TikTok, you know, Instagram, you got Facebook, you got LinkedIn, and you got YouTube. So uploading in all these multiple channels is a very big challenging thing. So that to the tax is very, very difficult for you to get in all this. So my point of view, you just need to go and attach all your social media accounts to one place. So this particular thing will actually have your social media account. So just go here, you can see here. This is the way it actually reads in. If you want to go to Instagram, this is the way it looks like. You can see here. For my YouTube, it creates a little bit different content, the different tags. And for Instagram Reels, this one. And I not take my IT Talent Hub. And I want to go to LinkedIn. Within a LinkedIn, I can do it because it's all my business accounts. And I can select a time where it maybe tomorrow morning I can schedule. And if you want to do it now, click on this. You can see now my reel is getting published in multiple places. Okay, and you can expect a massive response from it. Okay, I'll open my Instagram page in a minute, and I can open it, YouTube or whatever it is, guys. You can see this link will go. So now go to my YouTube account where I got my IT Talent page, and you go to this shorts. Okay, you can see here, this is short getting uploaded. This is the short that we just discussed. Okay, and you can see here, this from IT Talent Hub. It got a description in it. It got tags in it. Okay, and just uploaded 30 seconds ago, and this is already loaded. Okay, now go to my Instagram page. Where's my Instagram? Okay, see here, it's already there. Okay, same time, it is uploaded in two different platforms, YouTube and Instagram, and maybe link